Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create product holding videos in Talking Photos version 3. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial on how to create product holding images in Artistly. So I'm logged into my Talking Photos account. This is the home page. Click on Create Video at the top, and you'll see this pop up with these options. You can create talking, singing, and dancing photos, and I've created separate tutorials for each of these. I'll choose human video. In step 1, you choose a style. As you can see, there are two options here, close up and waist up. I'll choose the high quality option and then click next. In step 2, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create horizontal and vertical videos. I'll choose horizontal, which is 16:9 aspect ratio, and then click on create new character. In step 3, you need to generate the character. Now, if you're generating a character from scratch, you can use this drop down and choose the gender, male or female. And in this box, you would enter the image prompt. In my case, I already have my character, so I'll just enter reuse this image. You can also try recreate this image. And then down below, you can drag and drop your image here. I'll click this button, which is what I'll do. I'll navigate to my folder on my computer. I'll choose my image and then click open. So here is the uploaded image, and then I'll click on generate. You'll then start generating the image. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes this can take about a minute or so you'll have to just be patient with it. And here is the generated image, and that looks fine to me. But you can regenerate it if you want to. And if you hover your mouse over the image, you can use this button to download it to your computer. And then click next. In step number 4, you choose the audio file. As you can see, there are several options here. You can import an audio file from your computer by clicking the Import Audio button. You can record your own voiceover if you want to right here. And if you have Clone Voice AI voice app, you can use it to generate the audio. And finally, you can use the built-in text-to-speech option, which is what I'll do. I'll leave it to the default English. And for the voice, I'll choose Sarah. You can use these sliders to control the speed and pitch. And then enter the text-to-speech text here. And then click on Import Speech. Once it's completed, you can then use this play button to just preview the audio. And then click next. In the final step, you need to render the MP4 video. So give it a project name, and then click on Render Video. You'll then bring you to this page, and you can click on Go to My Videos, where you'll see the status of the video rendering. And once completed, you can use these buttons to play, download, clone, or delete the project. So this one rendered in about 5 minutes. Now let me play the talking photo so you can see how it came out.
Hey, guys, this is a test talking photo that Anthony created of me holding this kid's activity book. First, he created this image in Artistly and used it to create this talking photo. Please check Anthony's step-by-step tutorial to learn how to create these types of product holding videos.
So that was pretty cool, right? You can get talking photos for a one-time discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.